Good morning students, welcome to your zoology class. Today in class we are going to see about lesson 2. This is also coming under the unit 1. Okay, human reproduction. So in this lesson onwards what we are going to study means create an awareness towards a healthy reproductive life in adolescence. Okay, so this is the common thing in a lower classes, that is male and female is a human being is occur in the human being, that is we called a monoecious reproductive organ present in a separate body. Okay, that is we mention as a male and female. Reproduction is an important thing in our life, like a breathing. It is give that in a next generation to that in the world. Okay, reproduction, that is re means repeater, production means that produce of their own kind. Okay, so reproduction means repeatedly producing of the same species or same kind, that is we mention as in a human reproduction. So male, it is produce the reproductive organ testis. It is diploid in condition of cells. That is chromosome having in a 23 pairs of chromosome. Okay, in this cell. And then female, it is having in a reproductive organ ovary. So it is also diploid condition of cells. Each and every cell in a ovary, it is having in a diploid number of chromosome. And reproductive gametes, the testis produce 13 reproductive gametes, sperm or spermatozoa. Okay, so it is haploid in number. Why it is changed diploid condition of cells into haploid number of cells means, haploid means here it is having in a chromosome only 23, only not in a pair chromosome. Okay, so 23 chromosome only present. Why it is changed occur likewise means, here having in a reduction division. Okay, so that is we call meiosis. Meiosis occur, so it is producing the haploid number of chromosome cell, sperm or spermatozoa in a male. Okay, for female likewise the same haploid number of reproductive gametes, it is produced from that in a ovary onwards. Okay, it is produced from that in a ovary onwards, ova or egg. Okay, this is also haploid number. Okay, haploid number having means how it is replaced into that in a diploid condition. Of how it is able to produce that in a diploid condition means, it is fertilization process is occur. So through this fertilization process, fusion of the male and female reproductive gametes. Okay, so through this process, it is maintained that in a diploid condition. Okay, so diploid condition of zygote. Okay, zygote, actually it is in after fertilization it produces that in a zygote, it is in a diploid condition. Okay ma, so zygote, it is produced that in a embryo. Zygote actually it is in a single cell, it is produced that in a multicellular small baby likewise in a structure, that is we called a embryo. Immature baby, that is we called a embryo. Okay, so embryo, it is produced that in a new fetus, that is a new baby it is produced. Is it clear? This is the outline for that in a reproductive system. Okay, this is the intro. Every organ system in the human body works continuously to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis means, homeo means what Rama? Same. Status is mean it is in a status. Home, that is maintain a status for a survival of the individual. Okay, human being, the condition of the human being it is maintained means, it is done by that in a every organ system it is maintained. Okay, the human reproductive system is essential for a survival of the species. ஓகே, இந்த எர்த்தில் வந்து சர்வை பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா human reproductive system is a very important. Healthy life without producing an offspring, but reproduction is inevitable. Inevitable means it is a very important for that in existence of species. Okay, so next one we are going to study the what function of reproductive system. What is the function it is doing? I said, produce 13 sperm and ova. Sperm and ova, it's a gametes, so it's production done by that. Next one, transport. It is occur in two different organ, to male and female. So transport is needed for in a fusion, and nurture the developing offspring. Nurture means give the nutrition. Okay, up to taken this one, new fetus ஃபுட்டு அதுவாக எடுத்துக்கிற வரைக்கும் நீட் டு நர்ச்சர் இன் தட் இன் fetus condition. Okay, so nurture the developing offspring and produce hormones. What's the role it's done by that in a hormones means each and every function in a reproductive system, it is done by that in a the function and the organ development, everything it is done by that in a hormones. Okay, the major reproductive events in a human beings. Okay, so first one, gametogenesis. So gametogenesis means gameto means it is in a gamete, genesis means formation. So formation of gametes. What's a gametes is that sperm and ova. So sperm formation we called as spermatogenesis. Ova formation we called as oogenesis. The next one process is the insemination. I told it want to transfer a sperm by the male into female genital tract. That's a process we call that insemination. Then fertilization. Fertilization, I said already, fusion of male and female gamete to form a zygote called fertilization. Cleavage, that is after fertilization, the single cell, it is converted into embryo, isn't it ma? So it is in a multicellular stage. How it is converted into multicellular stage means it is produced that in a division. It is rabbit means very fast mitotic division occur in a zygote, that is which convert the single cell zygote into multicellular structure called a blastocyst. Blastocyst, it is the in between stage in embryo. எம்ப்ரியோ டெவலப் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிற ஒரு மல்டிசெல்லா ஸ்டேஜ் தான் நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோன்னா பிளாஸ்டோசிஸ்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் process, that is in a rabbit mitotic division. That's what is important. That's only we called as in a cleavage. Next one, implantation. Implantation means up to the condition in cleavage, the cell and the cellular stage, it is in a moving condition only, after fixed into that in a uterus, that is we called as an implantation. Next one is a placentation. Placentation means that is a connection between the fetus and the mother uterus wall, that is only we called as a placentation. Exchange of nutrients it's occur. Next one is the gastrulation. Actually gastrulation means that is the blastocyst is in a multicellular stage. It is not having an arrangement of cells in a organ wise, but here gastrulation means the process by which blastocyst is changed into the gastrula. Okay, which in a 3 primary germ layers: ectoderm, enteroderm, mesoderm. That's 3 stage it is having. That condition only, formation of 3 layers in a embryo stage, that's only we called as a gastrulation. Okay, so next one is organogenesis. From the ectoderm, enteroderm, mesoderm onwards, the formation of organ we called as organogenesis. Genesis means formation of organ only we called as organogenesis. The next one is a pasteurization, that is expulsion of fetus from that in a mother womb. Up to the stage the baby inside the womb only, after it is comes out from that in a uterus, that is we called as pasteurization. Okay, so these functions are carried out by that in a primary means, and that is testis and ovary, and accessory reproductive organ also it is working for regarding to that. It is produced that in a ova and sperm, and then it is controlled by that in a hormones, pituitary hormones, and also that in a gonads means reproductive organ only we called as in a gonads. Okay, so it is produced that in a hormones, and develop that in a secondary sexual characteristics and maturation and reproductive system and regulation of the normal functioning of reproductive system. The accessory organs helps in transport and sustain the development to that in nature of the new developing offsprings. Nature na I already said give the nutrition to that in a young baby. Okay ma. So in this lesson chapter we saw that function of reproductive system, major reproductive events in human beings, spermatogenesis, insemination, fertilization, cleavage, implantation, placentation, gastrulation, organogenesis, pasteurization, all those things. I think the term it's clear understand by yourself, I think, and intro for in a primary and secondary reproductive organs. Okay, so thank you ma. Do the worksheet in neat manner.